Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Steam Deck docking station step by step clearly. First, gather all components of the Steam Deck docking station. Ensure you have the Steam Deck, the docking station, and necessary cables. Place the docking station on a flat, stable surface. Identify the power adapter that comes with the docking station. Connect the power adapter to the docking station's power input port. Plug the other end of the power adapter into a wall outlet. Next, position the Steam Deck in the docking station. Make sure the Steam Deck's USB-C port aligns with the docking station's connector. Gently push the Steam Deck down until it clicks into place. Locate the HDMI output on the docking station. Connect one end of an HDMI cable to the docking station's HDMI output. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your display or TV. Now, locate the USB ports on the docking station. Connect any peripherals you want to use, such as a keyboard or mouse. If you're using Ethernet, connect an Ethernet cable to the docking station's Ethernet port. Next, power on your display or TV and switch to the correct input. Power on the Steam Deck by pressing the power button. Once the Steam Deck is on, you should see your display show the Steam interface. Adjust the display settings if needed, using your connected peripherals. Test the connection by navigating through games or applications on the Steam Deck. Ensure all peripherals are functioning as expected. If everything is set up correctly, enjoy your gaming experience on the big screen. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.